let song and sport die away, that I shall sing and make great effort in the fray. So long have I been pensive and in suffering's thrall, for all in pieces fall. Those things that to the lover, for composing verse and cover, were wont to advance before all. Gallantry and tender offer, thanks and guerdons, recovery, so no song can proper ever be prized or tall. So much has shrunk and stalled, joy and every deed of worth recall. Yet for all that, there is in my heart a bolt-sharp sprawl, forged by desire and tempered by death's delay, that makes me sing, for a pleasing comfort holds its sway and keeps me joyful, however the pain may toil and gall. For so great and all is the honored worth that hovers to the praise of the noble lovers of her whose lover I call, that the heavy grief that covers turns to joy and the harm to profit's way. So a thousandfold above all, I live with her in travail and in torment's hall, and with another in bliss's festival. For though her body is gay and swift with youth's install, and fresh and new, her senses ancient and strong as wall, for she is to the cruel fierce and of harsh accord in all, and to the worthy humble gently harmonizing all. So the cutting gall the anguish still one discovers is to me right joyous lovers, when I recall it in thrall. For my desire hovers not for anything else at all, but that to my ears sprawl I may reign to her will's call. So was I bound in fall when I saw her at the first lance's sprawl. Of my perfect joy, the guiding wall, for from no other part comes joy, nor comfort's call, save from serving her through whom I was rescued from all of worthless mercy. For her person fair and dull, frank, gently speaking, all humble and proud in covers, granted that I should be for others made gay from grieving's brawl. So long as singing under covers I suffer, that I her good traits all may tell and advance and call her worth and beauty sprawl, wherein truth grows tall, the more one is praising her withal. And since her new pleasing body beautiful, so much is worth that she lives without peers crawl, I cry her mercy that she make effort withal, to maintain the worth between the two ports call, which she conquered and made to fall under her command in all, with gay expressions and words that recall savor and sweetness to the hall, and with heart bare and small of all ill dealings brawl, and with choice and all entire peerless virtue sprawl, that no one standing tall opposes, so high does mount the wall of her honored worth's call, thanked by all those whom pleasure does enthrall. Lady at the first lance's fall, when I saw the gentle body of you, your features through and through, carved into my heart with all thy likeness, cutting through all love, so that I gave my all to what may please you, faithful, firm for all my years, strong.